We'll guide you through how to fix message sound notifications not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is annoying as you can end up missing important messages, so make sure it's this full guide to hear the different methods. So to get started, you want to go and drag down in the top right of your phone on the battery to open the control center. Make sure your phone isn't silenced and muted, so go and press that bell icon. As you can see, silent mode is now off. Go and see if that solves it. The next thing you want to do as well is while you're in here is make sure do not disturb isn't turned on or another focus mode. So you can go and see focus over to the left here. Tap and hold it. None of these are currently turned on. If they are, tap on them to go and turn them off. See if that solves it. Next, open your settings. Scroll down and you want to go and find the option sounds and haptics. And what you want to do is try increasing volume and alerts and go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, press the search at the bottom and you can go and type in messages. Press notifications, and where it says sounds, make sure that this is set to a sound, not none. Last of all, let's do a restart. You can press the volume increase, decrease, and hold down the side power button. Shortly your phone screen will go black. Keep it held down until you see the Apple icon and release.